Traffic surveyors play a crucial role in analyzing and understanding the traffic patterns and flow in a specific area. In Palam Vihar, a fast-growing residential and commercial area in Gurgaon, traffic surveyors have become an essential part of the urban planning process. These professionals are responsible for collecting data, conducting surveys, and analyzing the information to develop effective traffic management strategies. Palam Vihar has witnessed significant growth in recent years, leading to an increase in population and vehicles on the roads. This surge in traffic has resulted in congestion, delays, and safety concerns. To address these issues, traffic surveyors in Palam Vihar have been conducting comprehensive studies to identify problem areas and propose solutions. By analyzing traffic volume, speed, and patterns, these professionals can determine the root causes of congestion and develop strategies to alleviate it. One of the key aspects of traffic surveying in Palam Vihar is the design of sustainable transportation systems. This includes the planning and implementation of efficient road networks, parking facilities, pedestrian infrastructure, and public transportation options. By considering factors such as population density, land use patterns, and future growth projections, traffic surveyors can design a transportation system that meets the needs of the community while minimizing congestion and environmental impact. In addition to designing transportation systems, traffic surveyors in Palam Vihar also play a crucial role in assessing the impact of new developments on traffic flow. As the area continues to grow and attract new residential and commercial projects, it is essential to evaluate how these developments will affect the existing transportation infrastructure. If you're looking for reputable and competent surveyors in Palam Vihar, SCON Design stands out as the company to contact. Due to their extensive experience in the field, they have emerged as one of the leading surveying firms in the region. Their team of highly qualified specialists places a strong priority on the exact and accurate surveying services they provide to their clients. SCON Design is aware of the usefulness of surveying in a number of industries, including land development, real estate, and construction. Among the many surveying services they offer are topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. No matter the size or complexity of the project, their surveyors in Palam Vihar are qualified to oversee it. SCON Design stands out from other surveying firms in Palam Vihar thanks to its commitment to quality and attention to detail. They go above and above to provide their customers with the best service possible since they are aware of how crucial accurate surveying is to the success of any project. Their surveyors utilize cutting-edge equipment and technology to gather information and provide comprehensive survey reports. Another aspect that makes SCON Design the top option for surveyors in Palam Vihar is their ability to finish projects on schedule and within budget. They understand that every project